Hey, Vicki and Greg. I am going to show you how to use the digital leveled reader or the A to Z book with your kids on the screen. So here, down here is this blue shield. Now your cooperating teacher, so like Mrs. Trailer and Mr. Sharman, need to make sure that this is enabled where you can share your screen. Right now, you can share your screen. If I have clicked that people can't share their screen, then you wouldn't be able to share your screen. So you want to make sure that you have the ability to share your screen. Then what you do is you go down here where it says present now, and you press that. And I always do my entire screen. That way, if there's anything that comes up that I still want to show, it doesn't just allow me to show one thing. If you click on a window or a tab, sometimes you might want to switch the part of your screen you're showing, and then you can't because you only are sharing a certain part of your screen. So I recommend your entire screen. And then you click on the screen that you're using, which you guys probably don't have two screens. I have two monitors, or I have a monitor. That's probably. Anyway, then it goes to sharing, and you can tell that it's sharing when it has this little thing here. It says stop sharing, or it's sharing. And you can always ask the kids too, can you see what I'm showing? So then here's my book. Look up here, you can actually see it says you are presenting to everyone. So here's my book, Baby Animals. So I can read the book with them. This is a kitten, and I can highlight things. I'm sure there's probably even fancier stuff you can do, but this is what I'm going to be using with my lowest reading groups. And you guys can find any books that you need for your kids with Joel's video. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Okay,